Glam Squad, it's Glamorous TT, and today's video we're going to be doing a next review on Love Me Hair. Just to show you guys a little preview of what came in the box, it came with a little note from the owner of the company. It also comes with a little pouch that has a cute little clip that you can clip on your hair. It also comes with an extra band to extend your headband wig if you want, some bobby pins, tweezers, and a little scarf for your edges, which is so cute. So this bag is what the wig came in, with a hairnet, and this is just to show you how it came, but that's not the hair, that's the previous hair that I had before. It also comes with 2 wig caps and 5 headbands that you can put on your wig, as well as a little book to teach you how to take care of your hair. So as you can see, I already did my edges and I already have my wig cap on. I braided my hair. I don't know how to cornrow, so I just plaited. Should I say plait? Yeah. I plait my hair in 2 pigtails and I put a bobby pin to secure it and put on this wig cap. And I did my edges and I'm in love with this. Like, this makes sure my edges stay where they need to go and not move. So this is a plus in my book. The wig that I got was deep wave 16 inch. So this is 16 inch right here, and this is the wig. So it is a huge difference between the deep wave and the jerry curl. The jerry curl is a more tighter and this one is a more looser, kind of reminds me of a wet and wavy look. It's very dense. It seems like every time I make a video, it's always some loud noise. The last video, I didn't show you guys the comb, which was my bad, or the headband. So this is the inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in it, and it has a headband. The end is kind of stretchy. If you do want to extend it to fit your head more comfortably, you would then use the extra strap that they gave to you. And I guess you would strap it here or sew it on here to make it extend more. But this is the wig, you guys. It's so beautiful. I did wear it once just to see if I liked it. So it does have product in there. The 2 products that I used was the Twisted Sister and the Jane Carter Solution leave-in conditioner. So these 2, and I gently brushed it with my wide tooth brush. One thing I could say that this really improved, like it fit like a glove. It wasn't too hard to put on like the first one. So I'm guessing the first one naturally fits smaller, because with this it went on with a breeze. So I'm going to try to put this on camera, so bear with me. And this is hard just looking at the camera and not an actual mirror. I'll be right back. So now that she's on secure, and yes, she is on, like I already made sure she's secure. One thing about me, I don't really like using the combs because I am tender-headed, so the combs are not in my scalp. I'm gonna try to ask my boyfriend's mom to braid my hair, because with my natural hair so thick, is making the wig look like a helmet. I'm so glad I didn't go for anything longer, because I feel like I can tame this and this can pass for my real hair. I am going to put a little bit more product in it. And this hair was dry, by the way, so me adding product, I know it's gonna give it that super wet wavy look. the difference from this side and this side, which is dry. It's not that big of a difference, but I love the wet look, and it's not so wet. It's damp, but it's not so wet. To seal everything in, I'm going to go in with some vitamin E oil, and I don't really need a lot. I'm just going to use that much for the whole entire set of hair, and that is just to lock in this moisture. So on to the lovely headbands. One thing I wish they would give you is a different variety, because now I have 2 sets of the same exact headbands, but hey, oh well. I do not like the combs, but it is looking like I'm really gonna have to learn to love it, because like always, this is my favorite, so I'm gonna rock this one first. I've seen people rock their headbands like this, which is cute. It's very, very cute like that. But I am a old school type of girl. I want the headband. This looks really good with my t-shirts, and rocking it like this, it makes me feel like this can pass for my natural hair. Like, I want it to kind of look like it's coming from my scalp, and this is giving me pretty much coming from my scalp. You can't, if someone is to ask me like, hey, is this your real hair, I'm gonna be like, yes, this is my real hair, you can't touch it, but this is my real hair. Like, you could switch it up, you could be versatile. Me, I want the baby hairs out. And yeah, I'm in love with this hair. That is it for this video. It's a quick video, you guys. I 100% recommend this hair for anybody, even if you're a beginner, even if you never owned one before. Listen, this is the one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I know it's short, but it is very hot and I am sweating. Good thing I really don't have nothing on but brows. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below so you can go and check out this hair. I didn't explain the price, and that's only because I caught it when it was on sale. Like, I got this hair, and one thing I want to say, every time you buy hair you get points. So depending on how much points you get, you can get up to $25 off your wigs. So go check it out. You can become a member and you can accumulate points to where you might get a free wig one day. Check it out, you can't lose. I'm just letting y'all know I got next hair video that's gonna be coming out. I got a drawstring ponytail from Luvmehair as well, so I'm gonna be doing a review on it. It should be coming out after this video. Okay, like I said, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and check out my other videos, and don't forget to comment down below about this hair. I want to hear you guys' feedback because I am in love with it, for real.